Advanced age often comes with a loss of mobility. Despite their desire to travel, many elderly don't because they fear they will be a burden, even for their own families. eFlexx is designed to keep the patient independently mobile. It is as convenient as a manual wheelchair, but it also has a power pack that allows the elderly free range to explore independently. Its universal design makes every movement simple and elegant. It is equipped with swing-away footrests and flip-back armrests, which allow users to transfer in and out safely and easily. The battery is easy to install and replace in one step. Unlike most power wheelchairs, eFlexx is extremely easy to fold, and it weighs only 27.5 kilograms without the battery, so it is easy to carry and travel with. Its patented swing-away controller system makes surroundings so much more accessible, which expands how and where the chair can be used. eFlexx is compliant with IATA aviation rules. It is ready to be taken on travels abroad at any time. Helping the elderly to expand their social interaction is the reason we created eFlexx, to allow them to travel independently and to enjoy their life without limits.